Hi everyone, this is a reflection for our fifth lecture, which took place on September 3rd. I realized I forgot to post this yesterday, so I'm putting it up today. We finished up Chapter 2, and on Friday we're going to be moving on to Chapter 3, and just a reminder, there's going to be a quiz on Friday, a short one like last time, and it will likely be Chapter 2 material. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about the exit ticket, the exit quiz. We talked about valence electrons and valence shells and things like that, which you remember were the electrons on the outer shell of a atom. And we were talking, in particular, I said we're really only going to focus on the main groups. Do you remember the main group elements are these ones over here and these ones over here? So we consider these the S block and the P block. All right. And so I gave you guys a couple of questions on the way out. People did pretty well on the second one, but the first one, they sort of fell for a little trick I had. All right, so the first question is, what is the valence shell? And so I want to emphasize, right, what I'm asking for is a valence shell. Okay, so again, that is the outermost shell of the electrons. And so you'll see here that there's sort of two ways that it can be written. Most of you either selected this one here, which was in fact the correct number, the correct answer, but a number of you selected this one. What you'll see here is that this is actually the complete electron configuration, right? Which you'll see actually is the same thing as this one here. These two are telling you the same thing. And what I'm asking for is a valence shell, not the complete electron configuration. So if I asked you a question that said, what's the electronic configuration for sulfur, then you would give either one of these answers. They both would be correct. But instead, we really just care about that outer shell. And the outer shell is this one here, right? So we say that essentially all this stuff here represents a complete shell, an inner shell. And that is the same thing as saying neon. So if we looked here, oops, take the drawing off. If we look at the periodic table, right, the complete shell goes through neon. And so we're saying what electrons are after that. So electrons after that are just these ones here. So 3s2, 3p4. So most people got the second part right, which was how many electrons are actually in there. And you'll see that there are 6. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2 in the 3s layer, 3s orbitals, and then 4 in the p orbitals. And so maybe some people, looks like the second most popular question was this one here. Answer was this one here, which was incorrect, 4, right, because those would just be the p ones, right? So that's the valence shell is all of those in that highest level. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright, with that, I'll see you all in class tomorrow, and just a heads up, there's a quiz tomorrow, and I'm going to be posting a sort of an answer key to the previous quiz that we had last Friday. Alright.